So hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make slime using glue and detergent only. So first that we're gonna do, so put some glue. So first you're gonna put some glue in your mixture. So after you put the glue, here is now something stirring. So there's now the glue, and let's put now the detergent. Just a little bit, because if you put a lot, it's gonna be make a rubber. So as can you see, it's gonna be make now sticky. So it's gonna be now make sticky as best as you can. It's pretty cool, right? So add more. And mix again. Okay, mix lang tayo na mix hanggang maging sticky siya. So we're gonna put, kapag hindi pa siya nagiging sticky, lagay lang tayo ng lagay. So kapag naging sticky na siya, tsaka na tayo tumigil maglagay ng detergent. Right? So I'm gonna be back if this is now getting now sticky. Okay, wait. So as you can see, it's gonna make now sticky. So here's now my slime. It's sticky now. It's okay now. It's now slime. So I put it some lipstick to make it colorful. So bye again, because I'm gonna mix this again. Okay, just wait. So here's now my slime after mixing. After I put it of color, here's now my slime. So it's okay. I'm playing at it, but to worry. So that's now my slime. So you need to have a little mix in it with your hand to make it more sticky and soft. So just wait. Alright guys, so after a minute, here's our slime. Right. So that's our slime. So this is very thicker and very watery. Right, see the water, see? Very sticky. That's our slime. So thanks for watching. Bye.